Yo, dog, me can't wait to see the girl where you hook me up with today, now.
You gonna like her, man. I'll tell your cousin. She's pretty too.
Yo, make sure in the dog, make a last girl where you hook me up with. Her breath it stink bad. For the whole day, I feel hold my breath.
Don't worry, man. You gonna like that one, yeah. Latoya, this is my friend Oscar. Oscar, this is my girlfriend Latoya.
You have to see my cousin, she really shy. Sashel, come here now.
Yo. Well, go on. My name is Oscar. Shashel? That's a pretty name. Oh, look like you're shy, man. It's alright. What if a girl always shy around me? Sashel, we can get some of your popcorn.
No. If you wanted popcorn, you should have bought your own.
What? You tell me say you can't give man look at the popcorn?
No. Why didn't you bring money to come buy popcorn? What is a broke man doing on a date?
Come man, stop being like that. Give me some of the popcorn. Yeah, so you're rude. That's why you're so quiet the first time, eh?
I'm rude, you're broke. We both have faults.
Man, I'm broke, you know. I just use all my money to buy the ticket for me and you.
Really? Maybe you should have saved some of your money and not buy that ugly shirt.
Yo, you're rude, but you know, man. Where you going so far? Yeah, cool. I can wrap my arms around you, you know, make you feel warm.
See that you can't even afford popcorn. I can only imagine you can't even afford roll on your almost green.
You're bright and whatever to eat, my arm no green. But be it this morning. Say you can't give man look a kiss too. Nothing. Or you're just boring, so you just have to stay here and watch the movie.
The way that your breath smells like you've been eating butty flakes for breakfast.
You know you like me now. You used to play hard to get me used to this.
I wouldn't like it even if you could afford popcorn.
Oh, you're one of them hungry belly girls they will expect. Say man's supposed to buy your food every time you go up on a date, don't it?
Who's the one with the popcorn? Me or you?
No wonder you're not a man. You're miserable. You're mean. And you're boring like.
Yet here you are, on a blind date. Stop worrying about me and sue your barber man.
From I know him. From I see him, I know say you're a mad girl, you know. Hey boy, the girl I'm mad, you know. You see, them a have fun and you just bored.
Yes, because you didn't buy popcorn. He did.
You're not even now. Look here, you're not even touch the popcorn. Just give me some of my damn popcorn. I'm hungry now. I just want to watch the movie, yeah, and then I got me hard.
I'm surprised you actually live somewhere.
You're bright. Man live a Caribbean estate. You know the manners.
Sleeping on a friend's couch doesn't count as living there.
Oh, so which part you live? high and mighty girl.
Even if I wrote down the address, I doubt you could read it.
Mad. Yeah, mad blood clot girl in a you girl.
I'm sorry, I didn't know your mother was here with us.
You're lucky, you know. You're lucky me not beat woman, you know, cause lick me want lick you down. Not chat about my mother.
You're right, I apologize. Is your father to blame for this? One pullout could have prevent all of this.
That was the worst date I ever got in my life. A beer mad girl here I was hooked me up with.